Welcome to Mr. V Teaching Math. In this session, we're going to take a look at how to use variables and expressions, particularly using the technique we just learned about substitution. For this example, I'm going to use my favorite sport, basketball. If we think about basketball, most shots taken in basketball are worth 2 points. So every single shot taken is worth 2 points, and I'm going to use, the letter S for shots. So, every shot taken is worth 2 points. Now, there are some shots in basketball that are actually worth 3 points. And for the 3-point shots, I'll use the letter T. Now, in basketball, when you take foul shots, the foul shots are only worth 1 point apiece. I could put a number 1 here, but I'm lazy. And lazy mathematicians don't put that in. What we have here is an expression. It's called an expression. There's no equal sign. It's just a group of letters and numbers that represent something in math called this is called an expression. This is an expression that represents the score of a basketball game. Every shot taken is worth 2 points. So if there's 5, you multiply times 2. Every 3-point shot taken is worth 3 points. Every single foul shot is only worth 1 point. I can put a 1 here and multiply, but I don't need to. So let's imagine a basketball game in which, I play brilliantly well. I score 5 regular shots. I get maybe 1 extremely lucky 3-point shot because I don't do those very well. And, I get a few foul shots in. Let's say 4. So, this is S. That is T, and that is F. This expression represents the score that I'm going to get from that basketball game. So let me demonstrate how that looks, using the skills we've already learned. First of all, I've got the expression copied down like I should. Now I will replace each of these variables with the appropriate number. 2, I took 5 shots. Actually, I probably took more than that, but that's how many times I scored. And my free throws. And now I have to do BEDMAS. In other words, in that basketball game, I scored 17 points, which is quite a bit. Notice how that this expression allows me to figure out what my score is. And this is one way to use expressions. And this is how to evaluate an expression, or simplify an expression, or solve an expression. All of those are different mathematical terms, which means you're going to try to find the answer. And as you're going to hear later on, sometimes answers don't look like this. But that's for later.